Hello kids, let's learn to draw some 2D shapes. Circle, star, diamond, pentagon, triangle, parallelogram, circle, star, diamond, pentagram, triangle, parallelogram. Let's color it. This is red color. This is red color. Circle shape, red color. This is purple color. This is purple color. Dear kids, purple color. Star shape. This is orange color. Dear kids, this is orange color. This is light green color. This is light green color. Pentagon shape, light green color. This is brown color. Brown color. This is triangle shape. This is pink color. This is pink color. This is pink color. Parallelogram. Dear kids, let's rewind once again. Circle, star, diamond, pentagon, triangle, parallelogram. Thank you kids. Bye bye. See you in next video.